Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of paper mache. Together with me are my students who have done amazing things with paper mache to construct their different future homes. However, let's start by teaching you how to construct anything using paper mache. Sit back and relax. Let's create something magical. A miniature house using simple materials. These are a few of the model homes that my team has constructed. They are colorful and beautiful. These steps must be followed to build a paper mache home similar to those. Step 1. Gathering supplies. Cardboard, old newspapers, wood glue, masking tape, and acrylic colors. Step 2. Blueprint and assembly. Cut out cardboard pieces for the roof, sides, front, and back. Assemble them to form the basic house shape. Use masking tape to secure the edges. Step 3. Paper mache magic. Mix wood glue with water till it's like thick soup. You dip newspaper strips into the glue mixture and layer them over the cardboard house. You repeat until you have 3 or 4 layers. Let it dry completely. Step 4. Details and paint. Add windows, doors, and chimney using more cardboard. Create shingles for the roof and stones for the walls. Paint the house with vibrant colors. Make it your own. Voila! Our paper mache house is complete. It's not just a craft. It's a little piece of imagination brought to life.
Hi, my name is Oladeji, and this is my paper mache project, Future House. The roof is painted red, while the walls are painted blue. It has 1 door and 2 windows. My name is acrylic, and this is my project, paper mache. It is a duplex house, and as you can see, this is the entrance to the house. The color of the roof is blue. The color of the body is yellow. And this is my future house, and it's very beautiful. Thank you.
My name is acrylic, and this is my project. I am in class 6, and my project is made out of paper mache. This is my future house, and it is very beautiful. Thank you.
My name is Daniel Saji, and I'm from class 6. This is my project titled My Future House made of paper mache. This is my corridor here. You can see it's beautiful. It's painted color white. This is my chimney. It's green with some white touches here. My roof is black. This is my pillars, my 2 doors, my windows. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kobe, and I'm here to talk about my paper mache project. My project is a story building. It has two doors and 2 windows. As you can see, the roof is black, the second walls are blue, the sides are yellow, the other sides are red, and the ground is green. And it took a lot of effort and time to make this beautiful house. Thank you.
Good day everybody, my name is Amori Sultan, and this is my project. And this is my project. It's made out of paper mache, and it is 2-story building, and it has 4 windows, 2 doors, and 1 parking space. Thank you.
My name is Oladeji. I'm in primary 6 in Golden Box. This is my paper mache, and I would love to live inside here. The roof is colored blue. Here is colored yellow. I have 2 windows and a door. Thank you.
My name is Tamira Aketwebo, and I am from primary 6. This is my future house made out of paper mache. The roof is blue and the house is yellow. It has 4 windows and a door. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My name is Victor Emekosisi. I'm in basic 6. I'm here to talk about my project titled My Future House. It is made up of paper mache and it has one windows and two doors. Thank you.
My name is Oladeji, and this is my paper mache. It has two doors. It is a story building. It has two doors, four windows, and flowers for decoration. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Oladeji, and this is my project. It is made with paper mache. It is a bungalow. It has two windows, a door, and a roof. As you can see, the roof is colored with pink and blue. Thank you very much.
My name is Udwa Emanuela, and this is my future house built out of paper mache. The body is pink and it has some doors and some windows. Thank you.
Good everyone, my name is David Ajayi and this is my project. As you can see, it is made out of paper mache. It's a duplex with 4 windows and 2 doors. The roof is painted white and we have a balcony here. Thank you.
My name is Oladeji Farida. I'm Basic 6 Gold Box School. And this is my house. My house is made out of paper mache and it's a bungalow. As you can see, it has 2 windows and a door. I took a lot of effort and time to make this out and it's very beautiful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Odoma Oladeji and this is my paper mache house. The wall is made of, the color of the wall is yellow and the color of the roof is brown. It has some grasses and animals with it. It has a red window and some red doors and some brown windows. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Melody Johnson, and this is my paper mache project. You can see the roof is green, and we have 2 windows and 1 door. And the front of the house is painted in grey, while the back and side of the house is painted red. This is my paper mache project. Thank you.
My name is Adeni Oluwajomiyoju, and this is my house. It is called a mansion. I use cardboard to like do the structure. Then I use paper mache. I now put it all around the house. And when it was dry, I now painted it. And the roof is red, and this side is yellow, and the front and back is white, and this is a car park. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this enchanting project with fellow creators.